Of class 11. Today we are going to discuss the example 2.3. I am leaving you example 2.2 for you to get it done yourself, because we have already read about height and distances in class 10, and it is based on that concept. So now we look into the another question, example 2.3. A moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the earth, as I have shown by red ink diagram. The angle subtended by at the moon by the two directions of observation is 1 degree and 54 seconds, and then given the diameter of the earth to be 1.276 in 10 power 7 meter, we have to find the distance of earth from moon. So that means we have to find the value of AM, which is equal to AM or MB. Now here we have already discussed the relation between arc and radius. You know, angle is equal to arc upon radius, and in this case the arc is nearly equal to the diameter of the earth, that is AB. So if we use the formula theta is equal to arc upon radius, that means theta is equal to capital D, which is diameter of earth, divided by small b, which is the distance. We have to theta is equal to arc upon radius, that means theta is equal to arc, that is AB, whole divided by AM, and AB is taken to be small b in this problem. So we get the distance of moon, that is capital D, is equal to arc, that is radius, diameter of earth, whole divided by the angle subtended by the two directions from earth on the moon, and therefore we get distance of moon dB is equal to nothing but AM or BM is equal to arc of this case, and that is nearly taken equal to diameter of the earth, and that is diameter is given to be AB is equal to 1.276 10 power 7 meter, whole divided by the angle subtended at moon by earth, and so that value is already given 3.32 in 10 power minus 2 radian. How we got 1 degree and 54 minute was converted into minutes, that became 114 minute, and that multiplied by the factor you convert it into radians, because we have already done this in the previous example 2.1, how to convert a minute into radians, and that when you divide 1.276 10 power 7 divided by 3.32 in 10 power minus 2, we get the value 3.84 into 10 power 8 meter. That is the distance, capital D, that is the distance of moon, approximate distance here we will say, because we have approximated the case by using the diameter of the earth instead of the arc. You know, arc length is always greater than the chord. So that is for this example. Now we will talk about a very interesting example which will give you the concept about the dimensions of nucleus as compared to the that of the atoms. You know, if the size of nucleus is in the range of 10 power minus 15 to 10 power minus 14 meter, is scaled up to the tip of a sharp pin, what roughly is the size of an atom? Means we have to visualize it in real case, that how they compare, the nucleus compare with the atoms. You see, if the size of the nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15 meter or to 10 to the power 14 meter, minus 14 meter, Now what should be the size of atom? Because we all know that size of atom is much bigger than the size of nucleus, and if we take a nucleus to be on the tip of a sharp pin, what should be the size of the atom? Given the size of the atom is 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So the size of nucleus divided by size of atom is 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 10 to the power minus 10 meters cancel, so it becomes 10 to the power minus 4 is to 1. That means if the size of the tip of a pin is nearly taken to be 1 meter, if the size of the tip of a pin is taken to be 10 to the power minus 4 meter approximately, that means the tip, the sharp pin, the radius of the sharp pin is 10 to the power minus 4 meter to 10 to the power minus 5 meter. If that is the case, then how big, because we are giving this size to the size of nucleus, then how big should be the size of the atom in this case? So here you see it should be 10 to the power minus 4 times. That means you see size of the nucleus divided by size of the atom is 10 to the power 4 is to 1. So that means if you scale a nucleus on the tip of a pin, then the size of the atom will be a sphere of radius 1 meter. So how big it is you can now understand. The nucleus is say 10 to the power minus 4 meters, then atom will be of the dimension of the radius 1 meter. So that means you have 10 to the power 4 times greater size. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.